Welcome to another Saturday English Grammar class with Kizom. Essential English Grammar ki datulopte shibju shetuk paditagi. Tinanglo la zo nganzo ki karigang she wolenta tanda nganzo tiwa tidang digang she de doara. Tinanglo ni WH ki tik what, which, how le disum kadu pechu chegore la digang cha deorta. What lana kare, which lana kagi, how lana condition le jorwa. Tatangbo what le di imba ina nganzogi what color is your car? Kirangi mota gi chunda karire. What size is this shirt? Di unjudigi size karire. What time is it? Chujo gajoredo. What kind of job do you want? Kirang lega kande roji goyus. Kande kare ledi. Kande ledi karchasu kind ledi le baina kande ledi charta. What color are your eyes? Kirang miki chunda karires. What make is your TV set? Kirangi TV di kariga jires. What day is it today? Taring nimo karires. What type of job do you have? Kirang la lega kariyus. What sort of job do you do? Kirang lega karichigiyo. Kare ledi what? Right? Tang anjogi yang noun mejo roin by nang anjogi color size kind type ledi zu mala origina kaptu what is la na indigorta? What's your favorite color? Right, Yana, what do you want to do this evening? Tarikonda karichiang kare ledi. Which lawarajina kagi ledi, right? Which train do you catch? The 9:50 or the 10:30? Right, chirangi mekor kagi nang la duguyus. Kudanga mangapchu chewat nang duguyus, chuda chegat nang duguyus. Which doctor did you see? Chirang member soup taga doings. Dr. Ellis toga doing, Dr. Gradam doing, Dr. Hildam doings. We use which without a noun for things or not people. The chala doing by nang anjogi noun makes a mena digorta. Penishna which is bigger? Kagi chaire saja imba ina Canada chaire Australia chairis. Mila imba ina anjogi who ledi su ledi chagarwa kagi ledila. Who is taller? Su ringwayores. Bill or Gary? Bill ringwayore Gary ringwayores. The what or which ledingi anjogi picture kandira ojigan nyamdo dosta origina. We use which when we are thinking about a smaller number or possibilities. Tamga ni summado me origina anjogi kagi ledila which picture chigirda. Mangboto yo paina anjogi what lerda penachashina. We can go this way or that way. Nganjo dine donai digre phani donai digre ladu which way shall we go? Kagi doga ladila. Tamga ni sumashmena which way? Right? There are 4 umbrellas here. Delakare nidu shidus. Which is yours? Kiranga jidi kagiris. Tamga nyung redwa chezang which. The what ladikare tamga mangbuyo paina what sherda. Penachashina what is the capital of Argentina? Argentina le kigap the capital kare gesa kagire ladu ta gesa pe mangbuyo ro saja pe mangbuyo ro chezang anjugi what lagormato which len pujo chigmarta. What sort of music do you like? Chirang music royang kandido goyus. Ra she kandido goyle the she ye wape mangbuyo ro chezang what sort lenerta. The what color are his eyes? Kwimmi ki chunda karire la de chudala what color remado which color lega marta. Yang kisi chunda ni sum nanglo ni damga ina which color do you prefer? Pink or yellow? Sepo tang yellow ni damgo ina which? What is the longest river in the world? Zamling nang ki gyukchu ringshu de kagire la de gyukchu mangbo yo yorwa tinang ni ringshu de kagire la gorda. Yang kisi damga ni sum ni geje tia imba ina which reda. Which is the longest river? The Mississippi, the Amazon, or the Nile? De sum nang ni ringshu kagire la de. How? Kandechene. How was the party last night? Kazan party, dango party kande chungsos. It was great, pe awa chungsos. How do you usually go to work? Chirang legal and namgyu kandechene duguyo kanda lede how? By bus. Bus nang duguyos. The how lede nganzuki kare adjective yana adverb chiginyam dole yang shayo yo doing by na kandechagare. How tall are you? Chirang ringloyos. I am 1 meter 70 1.7 meter tall, right? How big is your house? Charangi kangpa di kazu chimboyu tall, big, old, far. Dige sangma kari chadiyor lana adjective often long much adverb chadiyor, right? chezang. How old is your mother? Chirangi amla lo khajures. She's 45. How far is it from here to the airport? Tene airport la tharing le yores. 5 kilometers. Kilometer nga yores. How often do you use your car? Kirangi motor manglu peche chi use. Every day nima takpa. How long have they been married? Korangi changzajani khajures. Lochu 10 years. How much was the meal? Kala di gumo khajudosung 20 pounds. Pon nishu dosung. Laso. Tangan du dipawe tiwa tilen chigin the exercise. Ta tangbo kala do right questions with what lani tiwa tierta. Tangbo nang kunzo kala do I've got a new TV set. Ma TV set sawa yo la du kagi kire la what make is it? Right? Nipa I want a job. Kind lani pujuchigo doara. Ani what kind of job do you want? Ta sumbang anzu cherta. I've got a new sweater. Color la do color lani tiwa tiwa ani what color is it? Next, I got up early this morning. Nga shokba taring pengaw lang la doara ta tiwa subaina what time did you get up? Right? I like music. Nga she go yula swara ta type lani piju share doara what type of music do you like? 근데 전에 담아들링이 저기 지하인다. Next, the which 란이 표주 지하다. 당보드 난갈라도 which way shall we go? 먼저 초 가기를 도겠어. 다 니와 때문에 티켓 뉴드 도와라. 세상 때문에 옵션 니 도와라. 먼저기 가르라게 which movie do you want to see? 숨바들라 디 신앙로 니켜 is yours. 켜 가지고 가기를 레라. Which one is yours? 근데도 dinanglo ne center la khagi dugure la di thiwa de lenge chogi soenda. Next, put which what which who kare khande khagi su la de nganju thierta tangbodi what is the man's name, what is that man's name midi ki ming khares nipa which way shall we go, left or right, left or right or khagi toges tanganju thierta. You can have tea or coffee tamga ni do chezang khari la ga nganju. Which one do you prefer? Next, dash is it today? Friday relarwa. Chetan tiwadela. What day is it today? Next, what? This is a nice house. Dash room is yours. Ta dinanglo ne kirangi room di khagirela du sambola kisi khangba nanglo larwa. Khangba ni sum rosh mashme baraji na anjo ki khari laga. Which is your room? Right? Dash is your favorite sport? The sport pe mangbo yorwa. Chezang anjoki kharlaga. What is your favorite sport? Dash is more expensive, meat or fish? Tamga ni madumindo asha da nya khagi khonche ladu. Which is more expensive? Dash is older. Anne or George? Ta mirwa mi indu which ling marwa? Who lerwa? Who is older lerwa? Dichem. Next, dash kind of camera do you have? Kirang la camera khagi ladu. What kind of camera? Chupa the chukchik delhinge so isusu chainda. Next, complete the questions with who plus adjective or adverb. Ra, high, long, etc. Ta adjective the adverb kagi imba diga nganzuki susu delata ne kari duguyo pa the chair the penetration na. How high is Mount Everest? Mount Everest tolo yorile adjective the nearly 9,000 meter high. Digam tho yurilerwa nipa de latang anjogi dipa utierda answer de karlando it's about 2 kilometers from here de karre tinichi warajina kilometer ni sto yurladu ta tharing lo gan ke ja shego yurwa chesang anjogi karlaga how far is it to the station? She's 26. Mo lo ni shuza tu rela swara chesang anjogi karla how old adjective how old is Helen? Next, every 20 minutes kama nishu la tanganjoki khari laga. How adverb share the often do the buses run? Tendedo ngaba tukbal henge joki chainda. Ta thama right questions with how lentierda. Are you 1.7 meter tall? Are you 1.7 meter or 1.75 or 180? Ladu ringchega ani how tall are you laswa? Nipadela. Is this book 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, or 3. Ta nga jogi khar lage. How heavy is this? Sorry, box re dwara book mare dwa. How heavy is this box? Sumba, are you 20 years old or 25 or 30? Ta lo kha chu in le ro. Chezang, how old are you? Next, did you spend 10 pound, 20 pound or 30 pound? 30 peche pound ki sign re sam gu da. Ime how me the roya which ta nga jogi khari lage. Dipa we thiwa se wara ji na. Khaju tosun ta in le ro. How much did you spend? Tinde do nga pa thupal hangi chogi chero shi anding yam du chen sha gi.